Radha Krishna Balo 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 Re Sabai. This is a song sung by Thakur Bhaktivinoda. It is said that Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda, they are walking through the streets of the Nadia town, chanting this instruction, addressing everyone. They say, you all people, please chant Radha Krishna or Hare Krishna. Radha Krishna Balo 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 Re Sada. Every one of you simply chant Radha Krishna or Hare Krishna. This is the instruction. Yehi Shikha Diya. Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda, both together, while walking and dancing through the street, he was instructing that all of you simply say Radha Krishna. Yehi Shikha Diya Shabno Diya Pirche Re Bhai Gauri. Pirche means walking. All over the town, Nadia, they were teaching this. Shikha diya, Shabna diya, Pirche Re Bhai Gauri. Then he says, Keno mayar base jaccha base. Why you are being washed away on the waves of this maya, material nescience? Hatcha habu du bhai. And whole day and night you are merged into full of anxieties. Simply, just like a man when he is put into the water, sometimes drowning, sometimes coming up, but he is struggling very hard. Similarly, in the ocean of Maya, why you are so much struggling? Sometimes being drowned, sometimes coming up, sometimes feeling happiness, sometimes no happiness. Actually, there is no happiness. In the water, if you are put into the water, you are sometimes drowned and sometimes come out. That does not mean happiness. To come out for the temporary time, for the time being, and again being drowned up, that is not happiness. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is instructing that why you are troubling so much. Maya was under the spell of Maya. Then what is to be done? He says, the Jeev Krishna Das Vishwas. Simply just believe it that you are servant of God. You are servant of Krishna. Jeev Krishna Das Vishwas korle to ar dukkha nai. As soon as you come to this point that you are servant of God or servant of Krishna, immediately all your troubles become ceased. There is no more trouble. So, this instruction is given by Lord Chaitanya, walking over the streets. Krishna Das Vishwas korle to ar dukkha nai. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur gives his own personal experience. He says, Jai Shakal Vipad. I become released from all kinds of dangers. Jai Bhaktivinoda Thakur, his Acharya, his experience, he says that whenever I chant Radha Krishna or Hare Krishna, I become freed from all kinds of dangers. Jai Shakal Vipad. Jahan ami o naam gai. Whenever I chant this holy name, Hare Krishna, Radha Krishna, immediately all my dangers are over. Radha Krishna walo sange cha. So Lord Chaitanya therefore says that I am walking on the street and begging from. What is that begging? That you simply chant. This is my request, begging. Radha Krishna valo sange chalo. And just follow me. Radha Krishna valo sange chalo. Ei matra bhikkha cha. I am simply asking you for this contribution. That you chant Hare Krishna and follow me. So that your struggle for existence in this material ocean will cease.